How to get cash in 8-ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to get cash in 8-ball pool. Getting cash in 8-ball pool is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Win matches. The most straightforward ways to earn cash is by winning matches. The amount you earn depends on the entry fee of the game room you play in. Higher stakes game offer more cash. Daily spin. Every day you can spin the daily spin wheel for a chance to win cash, coin and other rewards. Make sure to check in daily to take advantage of this. Complete quest. The game often features quests and missions that you can complete for rewards, including cash. Check the quest section regularly to complete the tasks. Participate in tournaments. Enter tournament to compete against other players. Winning tournaments can yield significant cash reward. In-game purchase. If you are looking for a quicker way to get cash, you can purchase coin or cash through in-game purchase. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can get cash in 8-ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.